Hi, I'm Rose. In this video you are going to learn what every traveler needs. But before I give to you the essential travel items that every traveler must have, please click the subscribe button and notification bell to notify you for another video travel tips. 10 essential travel items that every traveler must have. Traveling is pure joy, and what makes the experience even more enriching is peace of mind and some tools. And these essential travel items make your journey a little less stressful and more enjoyable. Hope you find these essential travel items useful for your trips to come. 1. Travel backpack. For those who travel light, a travel backpack is an essential item. Comfortable backpack which you can carry all day long. Packable jacket. Must have wrinkle-free travel clothes too. Comfortable walking. Waterproof shoes. Wearing comfortable shoes is important to enjoy a holiday. Of course, sturdy, trendy and sole comfort is essential. But waterproof shoes are a hassle-free companion. You don't have to worry if it rains, or if you have to walk on a dirty street, you can easily clean them and stay protected. Whether you hike or not, or traveling in the off-season, fall or spring or winter, investing in good waterproof shoes is a good idea. 3. Get good shoes. You walk a lot when you travel. Don't beat up your feet. Love them as much as they love you, and they'll take you to amazing places. 4. Lightweight compact camera. When you are traveling, you are also making memories and adding experiences. A photograph can speak 1,000 words. How true is this quote? We carry our cell phone and a mirrorless camera to capture our moments abroad. 5. Multi-port cables to charge electronics. Compact and versatile with all the electronic items that you will be carrying on your travels, keeping them charged and up to date is essential. 6. Travel organizer to store passport, IDs, credit cards and more documents. Travel organizer for documents is so handy. They are a must-have to organize and secure your credit cards, printed boarding passes, passport, any quick notes like hotel address, emergency contact information, etc. 7. Personal items for comfort kit. Create a little, yours only, comfort travel kit. Cosmetic kit. Include your favorite shampoo, lotion in travel size container. Add a first aid kit with band-aids, painkillers, jet lag medications, and other prescriptions. 8. Always pack a towel. It's the key to successful galactic hitchhiking and plain common sense. You never know when you will need it, whether it's at the beach, on a picnic, or just to dry off. While many hostels offer towels, you never know, and carrying a small towel won't add that much weight to your bag. 9. Pack light. It's okay to wear the same t-shirt a few days in a row. Take half the clothes you think you will need. 10. Take an extra bank card and credit card with you. Disasters happen. It's always good to have a backup in case you get robbed or lose a card. You don't want to be stuck somewhere new without access to your funds. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button.